In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the advance rent or prepayments in Sage. As you can see here in this transaction, it says on 4th of January 2025, it says advance rent paid for 6 months by giving cash. So $1,000 per month is the rent and we have paid 6 months in advance. So this makes the total to 6,000. Now, what is prepayment? Prepayment is all the kind of expenses which will be converted in future to expenses, but right now, since we haven't consumed the benefit yet, so that's why it will be treated as an asset. Now, if you want to learn more about prepaid rent or prepayments as a journal, you can find the resources section and where I have attached this document right here, where I have explained the accounting treatment and how the prepayments works. So you can read that. Anyways, this transaction is a non-trading activity. That means it is not connected to the normal course of business. Our normal course of business is to buy and sell the car parts. So it's not connected to that. So that's why we will do a journal entry. Let's go to the banking section from the corner and from here and click on journal entry. Now the date of transaction is 4th of January. So let's write 4 here. If you want to mention the complete date, you can just write it without dashes as well. So let's write 4th 01. So as you can see, it picked up the right date. Reference, I can use 1002. And this one is a prepayment, right? So we have to find it in an asset. If you want to find it directly by name, we can use the find function as well. So let's write here prepayment or just write pre here, click OK. So we have prepaid expenses here and it's under 1400 code, which is starting from 1, hence it is an asset. So let's use this one. Description, I'll just simply copy this one right here and paste it right here. And the debit amount is 6,000 that we paid as a prepayment, which is an asset. Press tab, go on the second line, and here we are paying it by cash. So let's credit cash, choose this one. You can paste the same description here as well and paste it in the credit or just write it manually. I'll write here 6,000 and let's save it. So this is how we can deal with the advance rent or the prepayments in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.